Hey everyone, this is Megan from Fully Funded Life, and I cannot believe I'm saying this, but Christmas is almost here if you can believe it. And if you're anything like me, this season can be full of joy and also full of expenses, gifts, travel, decorations, dinners, you name it. And that's why for the months of November and December, we're opening up a special tool to our limited members, the Christmas Mini Budget. So this tool is usually only available to our pro members, but we wanted to give everyone a chance to use it this holiday season. And it's designed to help you plan your Christmas spending before the chaos begins, so you can stay on track, avoid overspending, and skip the stress and the debt. Okay, so what you're seeing right here on my screen is our dashboard. So when you log in, you're going to see this. And if you come over here to this All Tools, and you click on All Tools, we're going to dive in and I'll show you how to use it. So our Christmas mini budget here is right in our budgeting tools section. You click on that, it's going to open up our tool. This is one of our built-in tools, which is amazing, but you can also scroll down and you can download it here in an Excel version on the bottom. And then you'll also be able to download it as a PDF here. So we have lots of different options for you. But this tool is amazing for Christmas specifically. And so it allows you to really track your expenses. So in this top section right here, you're going to put whatever you've budgeted for. This is specifically for Christmas. So whatever you've budgeted for Christmas. And remember, it's not just presents. So a lot of times when we think Christmas, we think presents. But this is way more than that. So it could be travel, it could be lodging, it could be different foods. Maybe you're hosting an event at your house. Maybe you're hosting Christmas this year and that comes with added expenses. Maybe you're traveling to a family member's house. There's different things like that. So really think through that as you're creating this. So maybe we put for total budgeted, instead of $5,000, maybe we're planning to spend $4,000. And that, just like that, updates those numbers for you. And so you can go in here and you can change any of these categories on the left. So maybe you're not traveling, so that one doesn't apply to you. You can exit out right over here on this right-hand side. Or you can get more specific. Maybe you're flying and you want to put airplane ticket, whatever it is for your specific budget. But let's say maybe for travel, we're going to spend $200 on gas because we're traveling to grandma's house and she lives kind of far away. And let's say we're not really sure where we're staying yet. We probably are going to have to get a hotel for one night. So that's going to be $300. And then food. We're hosting Christmas this year, so that comes with extra expenses. Maybe you have to buy the turkey or the ham or paper plates or the extra side or dessert, whatever it is. Or your kids are having a special day at school and you have to bring some kind of snack or meal for that. Think through all of that. So maybe we're planning to spend maybe $300. And you can see as we're doing this, it's calculating this planned difference in this category right here of what we've planned to spend. And then, so maybe for person one, so maybe you're going to put your husband here. He can have a name, but we'll just write husband for now. And you're going to say, I'm planning to spend $400 on my husband. Maybe that number is like, you're like, no way. Maybe that number is like only $400. Whatever, this is just a scenario, whatever works for you. And then maybe you have kid number one and they're going to get $300. So you can see how it's calculating those differences. You can also add an item here. You can delete items, and then you're going to want to go in as you're spending. Maybe instead, when we were traveling to grandma's, we got some really great gas mileage and we only spent $170 instead of the $200 we had planned. Or for lodging, we actually got to stay at grandma's house. We didn't have to get that hotel after all. And then food, we kind of went a little bit like, we were kind of over on food, so that's $400. So we're going to have to find that extra $100 somewhere because we can't do that. So you see how this tool can work. So take a few minutes this week to fill out your Christmas mini budget. Give yourself the gift of the peace of mind this season. You can find it right inside our Fully Funded Life dashboard.